All right, everyone, today we know what day it is. It's Christmas, birthday, 4th of July, all combined into one for some of you all. It's 420. And in honor of 420, we're going to take a look at one of my favorite types of people out there in the world. Now, this might come across as a little shady to some people, but the library is open. So no tea, no shade, no pink lemonade. Let's get after it and talk Dude Bro. Now, Dude Bro is one of those people that lurks out there on the internet. He's a type of troll. And Dude Bro, like many types of reefer, comes in different strains. You might seek out Gorilla Glue or Wedding Cake or Purple Kush. Well, when it comes to Dude Bros, there's Learned Dude Bro, there's Permaculture Dude Bro, there's No-Till Dude Bro. There's a lot of different Dude Bros, and today we're talking Learned Dude Bro. Learned Dude Bro is the guy that you encounter on Facebook, in the YouTube comments, or on the gram. He's the guy that's not afraid to step to you on the gram because you dared say that you're using a no-till system, but you own a tilther. Dude Bro doesn't know you. Dude Bro doesn't know what you're about. But Dude Bro doesn't care. He just knows that that ain't no-till and that's not all right. So you're not all right. And he's coming after you. He's not going to let that pass on his watch. Dude Bro's not the type of person that you want to get in an altercation with online. Because this is what Dude Bro lives for. Literally. This is all Dude Bro does. He's got nothing else going on. Dude Bro trolls social media looking for people that erroneously posted something that he knows to be true. You thought that thing you were doing was perfectly fine? Dude Bro didn't, and he's going to let you know. Now, you got to be careful what you say, because he's always watching. Again, nothing better to do, and he's dying for his chance to show you he's right and you're wrong. But he's the ultimate generalist. He knows a little about everything, but not much about one thing. He knows just enough to be dangerous, just enough to call you out. Dude Bro's heard it all somewhere. He can't tell you exactly where he's heard it, but he's heard it, and he knows it's true. Citing sources, that's not the way of the Dude Bro, because he knows that somebody told him once, and that's how it is. Any situation, any biome, any application, it doesn't matter. His idea is what it's about, and Dude Bro is all about imposing solutions. He's not arriving at a solution, he's going to impose a solution, and it's going to generally be a solution imposed on about his favorite topic. You might not have overland flow. You might not have a runoff problem. Dude Bro's going to say, where are the swales? This isn't a permaculture site. So he's going to go off on his favorite topic, and he's going to go off all the time letting you know. He's the guy with all the books that he's never read, but he knows all the sayings, right? He just might not know where they came from. You know, I want to live the pigness of the pig, or let the pig live the pigness of the pig. The problem is the solution. The best tool of a farmer are his boot prints in the soil. Don't feed the soil. Don't feed the plant, feed the soil. I mean, these are the things that Dude Bro lives by. Specifics, again, that's not where he's at. He's watched all the videos that he got illegally off BitTorrent. He's visited all the workshops. In fact, he's been to more hotels across the Midwest than Del Griffith, the character played by John Candy in Planes, Trains, and Automobiles, than anybody else. And one thing he might actually be really educated on is the quality of Holiday Inn buffets. Breakfast buffets. Yeah, that one outside Urbana-Champaign in Illinois, you can stop there. The one in Kankakee, you don't want to stop there. The problem with Dude Bro is he knows it all, and he's going to tell you he knows it all. But where he falls short is he hasn't done any of it. But he knows how you should be doing it, and he's going to make sure you know how you should be doing it. In fact, he's the guy who comes to your farm to work. But as we all know, Dude Bro isn't a worker. He's more a jaw jacker, a talker. Like, he's not there to do serious work. Dude Bro comes in to do what he does best, to be a body on the farm and tell you about what he knows and what you should be doing. And frankly, you're doing it all wrong. He's going to give you every suggestion on how your operation can be more sustainable, more regenerative. Forget the part that this is your business and you're the one hiring and paying him. Dude Bro doesn't care about that. Like, the fact that you have a successful business, that doesn't mean anything in Dude Bro's eyes. And Dude Bro's going to regale everyone on that farm with stories about what his farm's going to be like one day, when he finally gets his chance. You know, he's had a lot of close calls of getting a farm in the past, but you know, that last piece of land he was looking at, the terroir, it just wasn't perfect. And he literally is going to use that word, terroir. Dude Bro's going to let you know he's got big things in the works, and one day you'll see what it's going to be like when he does it his way. Only we never see, and we won't ever see. If this type of talk about Dude Bro makes you mad, well, maybe, just maybe, you're Dude Bro. Because the rest of us, well, we think it's funny, and we don't like Dude Bro, you know? I mean, we kind of admire his free spirit and his couch surfing attitude. You know, we kind of wish we could live that lifestyle for like a day. But in general, we don't like to interact with Dude Bro. Not in person, not online. After all, nobody likes a know-it-all. And nobody likes somebody to tell them, hey, you know, everything you're doing, it's wrong. So the Dude Bros watching this, they'll be angry, and they'll be the ones leaving the comments below. Happy 420, Dude Bro. Blaze up, get on the gram and set somebody straight about no-till, permaculture, or something else. But enjoy your day, and as always, be nice, be thankful, and do the work.